This cohort has a team of around 51 dedicated students from the PG and Research Institute of Rehabilitation Science, Holy Cross College, Trichy, to give an understanding of the different facets of behavioral science, and this has been provided through engaging sessions, interactive activities and hands-on experiences.
OP Jindal has really gave a really nice experience for all of us. Like, we actually never experienced this in before our life. College, the food, the hostel and the hospitality of the staffs, the security, everything was like top class.
Jolly trip we had, which was a visit to Taj Mahal. That was really a fun-loving trip where we all took a breakfast and we had a very gala time in the bus. We had the music, we had the dance.
Taj Mahal, and we feel very happy. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
I immensely received a positive wide feedback from our students, provoking to ask like a lot of questions to others, to the speakers, and they themselves got involved themselves in all the sessions.
So how has your experience been so far?
So we haven't seen such like brain behavior lab, such concept before. We got to know that how through various tools and assessment we can like get to know our maybe our stress level or maybe our mindset.
We all are very happy for this collaboration. This is the end of our internship, so it is nothing to regret for us. We are taking a handful of knowledge and a quality of learning we are taking back to our native town.